When you search for the best PS5 cooling fan, everything looks pretty much the same. Same features, same claims, and honestly, it can get confusing. But to find out what really keeps your console cool and running smoothly, you need to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, OIVO Cooling Stand. First up is the OIVO Ps5/Slim Pro Stand and Cooling Station. Priced at $40.99, this product caught my attention with its multi-functional design. If you want an all-in-one solution that not only cools but also charges your controllers, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This stand features a 3-speed cooling fan that ranges from 3100 to 3500 RPM, helping dissipate heat effectively after long gaming sessions. This is crucial because overheating can lead to performance drops and even hardware damage. Plus, with over 23,000 reviews averaging 4.5 stars, a lot of gamers trust this product. It's compatible with all PS5 models, so no worries there. Now, some people complain about the noise level of the fan, saying it can get a bit loud, especially at higher speeds. Here's the thing though, if you're really into long gaming marathons, the benefits of keeping your console cool might outweigh the slight noise. This is perfect for you if you want a multi-functional stand that keeps everything organized and cool. But skip this one if you're looking for something ultra-quiet. Now, if that noise issue bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Risker Cooling Station. Next, we have the Risker Ps5/Slim Pro Cooling Station, priced at $37.99. I was drawn to its RGB lights and sleek design. If you're someone who loves aesthetics along with functionality, this could be right up your alley. What stands out about this cooling station is that it not only cools your PS5, but also has a built-in charging station for your controllers. It connects easily to various power sources, which is great if you want versatility. The cooling fans work silently, while effectively lowering your console's temperature, which is essential to prevent lag during intense gaming sessions. With over 4,000 reviews and a solid 4.4-star rating, it's well received by the gaming community. However, some users mentioned that the installation can be a bit tricky if you're not tech-savvy. But honestly, once you get through that initial setup, it's smooth sailing. This is perfect for you if you want a cooling station that adds some flair to your gaming setup. But skip this one if you're looking for something really easy to set up right out of the box. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for an easy installation. Product number 3, Takluk Horizontal Stand. Coming in next is the Takluk PS5 Horizontal Stand with Cooling Fan, priced at $39.99. What caught my eye here is its scalable design that fits all PS5 models. If you want flexibility in how you position your console, this is definitely worth considering. This stand has a fast dual-controller charging dock that juices up your PS5 controllers in just 3 to 3.5 hours. Plus, its 3-speed adjustable cooling fans allow you to customize cooling based on your gaming needs. If you're diving into a high-energy game, you can crank up the fan speed. It's also received over 1,600 reviews, holding a solid 4.4-star rating. However, a few users felt that the cooling performance wasn't as high as they expected. Here's the thing though, if you're not playing for hours on end, it might still do the job just fine for casual gaming. This is perfect for you if you want a flexible stand that keeps your gaming area tidy and organized. But skip this one if you play intense games for hours and need maximum cooling. Now, if you're looking for something that really balances performance and aesthetics, the next product is worth your attention. Product number 4, Takluk Cooling Station. Next up is another offering from Takluk, their PS5 cooling station priced at $30.99. This one features an automatic turbofan and 3-level speed settings. If you want something that adjusts to your console's needs without constant fiddling, this could be the one for you. What's interesting here is the built-in temperature probe that automatically adjusts fan speeds based on how hot your console gets. This means you get efficient cooling without needing to worry about it. Plus, with a memory function for the fan speed and RGB lighting effects, it adds a nice touch to your setup. With around 792 reviews averaging 4.4 stars, Gamers appreciate this feature-rich design. Some users pointed out that the RGB lights can be too bright for their liking. But if you enjoy a bit of flair in your gaming space, it might not be an issue for you. This is perfect for you if you want a smart cooling solution that adapts to your gaming habits. But skip this one if you're not a fan of bright lights. Now, if you're looking for something that balances features and safety, the final product on this list is definitely one to check out. Product number 5, Camkin Cooling Station. Finally, we have a Camkin Ps5 Cooling Station priced at $33.99. Right off the bat, I like the extra USB hubs and the overall design. If you're looking for a stand that keeps everything organized, this one is worth your attention. The cooling fan has 3 speed options that effectively dissipate heat. It also charges 2 controllers simultaneously in just 3 hours. The built-in safety features protect against overcharging and overheating, which is a big deal if you want to extend the life of your devices. It has around 653 reviews with a decent 4.5-star rating, indicating customer satisfaction. However, some users noted that it doesn't fit the PS5 Slim perfectly without removing the panel adapter. Here's the thing. If you don't mind a little extra setup, the benefits far outweigh this minor inconvenience. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable cooling solution that also keeps your gaming area neat. But skip this one if you need something that fits perfectly without any adjustments. So, those are the top 5 cooling fans for your PS5, each with its own strengths and weaknesses, catering to different needs. To wrap it up, we reviewed the OIVO Cooling Stand, Risker Cooling Station, Takluk Horizontal Stand, Takluk Cooling Station, and Camkin Cooling Station. Each has unique features to meet your specific gaming needs, whether it's multi-functionality, design, or cooling efficiency. No matter which one you choose, keeping your PS5 cool is essential for a long-lasting gaming experience.